Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will teach you step by step how to merge cells in Google Sheets. So let's get started. Alright guys, so as you can see, I've been working on a spreadsheet, an untitled spreadsheet like that, with a row and a column like that from option 1 to option 5. And you can merge these cells either horizontally or vertically by simply left clicking and highlighting all the cells you would like to merge. So let's start with option number 1 here at cell B3. And let's merge these cells here horizontally, option 1, 2, 3, 4 to 5, from cell B3 to cell F3. And once you have done that with your left mouse, guys, simply click on that button or that icon here, merge, to merge the selected and highlighted cells. There you go. Just bear in mind, guys, that merging cells here on sheets preserves the value or the data only of the top left cell of your selected row or column, which in this case here would be option 1. As you can see, the remaining data from option 2 to option 5 has been removed. So you can fill that cell either with more text and data or copy and paste it by pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl V on your keyboard, just like that. You can also merge cells vertically, so let me just merge these cells here from B4 to B7, highlight them, and then click on that icon here again to merge them. There you go. Alright guys, so you can reverse that by simply selecting your merged cell and by clicking on that icon here again and by selecting Unmerge. There you go, and that's basically how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, have a wonderful day.